How to check your iPad storage space. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm your solution guy, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can check your iPad storage space, or the amount of storage which is left on your iPad. But as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to check the storage of your iPad, depending on what kind of applications are occupying how many spaces, and whether you might want to delete and see what photos and everything are occupying spaces on your iPad, you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In that case, the very first thing we will do is simply launch the settings app. Once we launch settings, you'd be able to see a bunch of various options. On the left hand side, you want to make sure that you are under the general tab. So by default, you could already be on the general tab, but just to make sure, just ensure that you are on the general tab. Once you select general, on the right hand side, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. You have this button which says iPad storage, and all you have to do is simply select iPad storage. As soon as you select iPad storage, right over here, you'll be able to see 27.3 gigabytes of 32 gigabytes used. So in my case, my iPad storage is up to 32 gigabytes, and you can also see the 27 gigabytes is already occupied. You can see what kind of things are actually occupying space. For example, the red one is the apps. So basically the most space is consumed by my apps, and the system itself is the gray color. Then you have photos, which is yellow. You have iCloud Drive, you have media, you have messages, and you have others. So basically you'll be able to see a list of all those over here, and you can also see the number of apps at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to see a list of all of these spaces. As you can see the number as well, with the amount of storage they are occupying. For example, you can see the YouTube app is occupying up to 4 gigabytes. That is because you could have downloaded some of the videos within the YouTube app. If you want to delete those data, you could tap on the delete app button, and you could actually free up at least some of the spaces which you have. You could also enable offloading unused apps to save space on your iPhone, and this is how you can check your iPad storage. You can see system as well. You can see the system files consumes up to 11 gigabytes. You have others as well. Other system files consumes up to 820 MB as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.